नमः। अब अंग्रेजी में बोलूं कि हिंदी में बोलूं? आपका बोलना बंद होने के बाद मैं शुरू करूंगा। When I came here, I was asked to come and sit straight away with the curtains down. And I was thinking, what is this? Is it a performance of Qawwali that I will sit here and you are all sitting there and then the curtain will go and tack, 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 tack. I said, no, it is not the way. Let me go first in the audience and experience their love. See, life is not a performance. Life is an experience to be lived every moment. See the difference between Mirabai, मेरे तो गिरिधर गोपाल दूसरो न कोई, and the singers who come on the stage for earning money out of singing, Meri Chunari. Finally, the audience has to clap. Stop it. Then it is. See, when Mirabai was singing before the Lord, it was not a performance to get the clapping from the audience. It was the heart which was poured in every word, in every expression. Is it not? So should be our life. So whenever we are living every moment of our life, and if we mean what we say, so the difference? Words, when they do not carry meaning, it is called as noise. Suppose I say, now I am talking to you, and in between I say, so suddenly you will say, hey, what happened to Swamiji? He was talking sense. Where from this nonsense has come in between? Now what is nonsense when from my mouth every word that is coming you are honoring, and when I say why don't you honor? Because it doesn't carry any meaning, is it not? In the same manner, life is expressed fully when the words carry meaning, when the actions mean what is inside in our thoughts. Friends, attainment of balance in our life is very simple if we understand the fundamentals. All of us have got two powers, two energies, two qualities. One is the power of knowledge, thinking, contemplation, understanding, expressing through the mind. Second is the power of action, dynamism, expression through the power of activity or life. Now these are the two powers which are the expressions of a common source called as consciousness. Now see, when two lines are drawn from the same point, they cannot go parallel. When two lines are drawn from any single point, they will be always having some angle. And as you go away from the center, the angle goes on widening and the distance between the two lines goes on increasing. In the same manner, we all have these two powers. One is the power of knowledge, second is the power of action. When the knowledge is not expressed in action, And when action does not mean the knowledge, the result is the gap between these two energies is widened. And because of